Welcome to TLH Patterns. I am Pradeepa. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to crochet this beautifully textured ear warmer or headband. This pattern is very easy. We are going to use only single crochet and half double crochet stitches. The width of the finished headband is 12 centimeters and the circumference is 48 centimeters, which is adjustable. You just have to increase or decrease the number of stitches or the number of rows. I used medium worsted weight yarn. You will need less than 50 meters and a 5.5 mm crochet hook. I also used a 5 mm hook for working the edges. So first start with a slip knot and make 17 chains. As I said earlier, if you want the width to be less than 12 centimeters, just make fewer chains. Instead of the worsted weight yarn, you can use any other yarn you have and a suitable hook. You just have to make the chains as long as you want the width to be. If you want a 10 centimeter wide headband, then just make the chains to measure 10 centimeters and then continue working the rest of the rows as I show you here. Skip 2 chains from the hook and work a half double crochet in the third chain. That is, yarn over, insert hook into the chain, pull yarn over and pull through all the loops. This is your half double crochet. Now work half double crochet in rest of the chains until the end of the row. So you will have 15 stitches in the first row. So we have reached the end of the row. You should have 15 stitches. Chain 1 and turn. This is the second row. You can see there are 2 loops at the top and 1 row of loops below those 2 loops. You will be working single crochet into those loops only. So work single crochet in each of these lower loops. You will have 15 stitches at the end of the row. Work the last stitch into both the loops. Chain 1 and turn. Row 3 is half double crochet in each stitch across and you will have 15 stitches at the end of the row. Okay, this is the end of row 3. Now chain 1 and turn, and you will repeat rows 2 and 3 as many times as required or until you reach a length of approximately 48 centimeters. This length would be suitable for an average adult head. However, if you want to adjust the length, you can increase or decrease the number of rows. Okay, after completing the row, chain 1 and turn and repeat row 3. So here I have repeated rows 2 and 3 until the length is about 48 centimeters. Now let's join both the ends together. So fold it into half with the wrong side out. You need not cut the yarn off, just continue. Now insert your hook into the lower loop and again into the other first stitch at the other end and work a single crochet. Now insert yarn into the lower loop and into the next stitch at the other end and work a single crochet. Now join in this manner until the end. Okay, now turn the right side out. As you can see, the joint is not very obvious. Now we'll work single crochet along the edges to make it look neat. So I'm using a 5 mm crochet hook. Now chain 1 and work 2 single crochets between each vertical raised braided pattern. So number of stitches doesn't matter, just keep working 2 single crochets between each vertical braided pattern. Work on both the sides and then you can cut off the yarn and weave in all the loose ends of yarn. So here is your completed ear warmer to keep you nice, cozy and warm during these coming winter days. So as mentioned earlier, you can adjust the width as well as the length by increasing or decreasing the number of rows or stitches. Thanks for watching and also subscribe to my channel for more crochet tutorials. Thank you.